Okay.
Yeah.
Let's delete this.
But is it recording? That red button on top.
No.
There's a red button on top.
Now press it.
Yeah.
As a unity, as a community.
Is it flashing?
No, it's not.
Is it a red button on the screen?
Yeah.
Ndị be anyị ndewo nụ. Taa bụ ụbọchị ncheta nke Oh, I'm right. Okay, after all of the year. Nke afọ.
Taa bụ ụbọchị ncheta nke afọ 20 oge ndị Igbo bidoro.
Taa bụ ụbọchị ncheta afọ 20 oge ndị Igbo bụrụ. Sorry. Wait. Taa bụ ụbọchị ncheta nke
afọ abụọ.
Taa bụ ụbọchị ncheta nke afọ 20 oge ndị Igbo bidoro. Ndị be anyị ndewo nụ. Taa bụ ụbọchị ncheta nke afọ 20 oge ndị Igbo bidoro. Yes!
You have to be fluent.
Was that not fluent? A bit more?
A bit more.
Okay. No, that's too much. Taa bụ ụbọchị ncheta 20 nke afọ. No, nke afọ 20. Ndị be anyị ndewo nụ. Taa bụ ụbọchị ncheta nke afọ 20 oge ndị Igbo bidoro. Happy birthday to Oge Ndibo. See, I'm still learning. Can you see? English is what is going to happen right now because a lot of us are struggling. That was a rant and this is going at the end of the clip because it's taken us 10 minutes for me to say that in Igbo.
When we came to this country, we realized that children born here could not speak our language. It was like a cultural clash. That when we speak, they tend to smile and laugh at us. Mom, what are you saying? I can't understand that. So we decided to look into it and saw that it was something important to actually get our children to learn our local language. If we look around, other people from different countries, like Chinese, they speak their language, Indians, they speak their language. It's only us who do not speak our language to them because they don't understand. And when we try, it looks like, oh, I can't be bothered. But we can see now that our children are craving to learn the language, which I am really happy that they are now giving up to themselves to come and learn and speak and understand and enjoy it as well. Igbo amaka. Igbo is a language that can be learned and enjoyed. So I just say thank you all for being a part of this group, and I believe that in times to come or in the future, we will not be crying for our children to learn the language. They will all learn it, and I want us to work together as a community to speak this language and enjoy it and portray it for our children to hear and listen and understand and speak it fluently. Thank you.
Anyway, guys, it's a very isolating position to be in, but we're learning as we go along, and that's the part that humbles me the most. I'm not 100% fluent, but studying, learning and asking questions and us going together, that's where I get my confidence from. We are going to be 100% one day, but it takes time and encouragement, and if you're around people who are encouraging you and not putting you down or mocking you, you're going to go far. Pick those people and join your friends together. Come, let's all do this together. That's how we're going to do it. We can look back and say what we didn't get or what wasn't right, but we have the resources and the ability and the confidence to do it ourselves and to work with and liaise with the elders. And that's what it is. We're moving forward 20 years. How many more years are we going to go? Infinity, children, grandchildren, bye. The rest is on you.
Hello everyone. Good evening. My name is Mrs. Ogoma Omukanjo, one of the people that started Ogendi. Okay,
yeah.
Let's delete this. Ndị be anyị ndewo no. Kedu ka udo mere? Ụbọchị na-agbakwa ọsọ. Ugbu a bụ ncheta nke afọ 20 oge ndị Igbo bidoro. Ana m aṅụrị ọṅụ na adị m ndụ hụ na ọ bụ ihe na-aga n'ihu ruo ugbu a. Na-ekelekwa ka ha bụ ndị bịara ihe aka ịhụ na oge ndị Igbo gara nke ọma site n'afọ ole gara aga mgbe anyị nọ na Empower Radio na-eme ka ndị Igbo a matakwa na ọ dị mkpa na ụmụ ha ga-asụ okwu ala anyị n'ihi na ọ dị ka ọtụtụ ụmụ amụ n'obodo adịghị ekwu okwu ala anyị. Mgbe anyị bidoro ihe ndị a, ọtụtụ ụmụ okorobịa na-abịa ebe a, ụmụ agbọghọbịa na-abịa ebe a, ndị obere nwa na-abịa ebe a, ndị ọcha lụrụ ụmụ ndị Igbo na-abịakwa na-asụ asụsụ Igbo n'ihi na Igbo amaka. Ndewo.